If you are a small creator on YouTube, this video is for you. If your channel is still growing, this video is very important for you. So why I'm saying this is, I would like you to sit back and watch this tutorial to the end. Watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be explaining a couple of things that will really help you. Okay, please sit back. Let's head straight to it. So if your channel is still coming up, you have been posting but you are not really getting any views, or you're not really getting subscribers, you've implemented different strategies, you've turned off and turned on certain settings and different features, and you're not really getting any views. It can be tiring, it can be frustrating, it can be, discouraging, so to say. However, there's something I want you to understand. You can have a high quality thumbnail, which is important. Having a high quality thumbnail is important. You can have an SEO title, a title that is well optimized. You can have a compelling description. You can have high ranking tags and hashtags. As important as all of those things are, especially if you are still a growing channel, all of these things will not automatically drive engagement to your channel, maybe in the long run. However, while waiting, there is something you need to do. You will always hear things like YouTube will push your video, push your channel, and do all of that. What I have to say about that is this: YouTube gives a higher, more intentional push when your channel is getting engagements. That is just what it is. So if YouTube discover that this channel, people are engaging with the videos in this channel, YouTube will even help you to drive more engagement towards your channel. That is just the way it works here. So for a new YouTuber, or for a growing YouTuber, or for a new creator, YouTube will be giving you a little push here and there, but you can never compare the kind of push YouTube will give you to the kind of push it gives to bigger channels. I don't know if you're following. So what you want to do is to find out a strategy to bring people to your channel, so that YouTube will find out as well that, of a truth, people love this person's video. Now YouTube can now come in with full force to now give you that kind of push you want, that kind of visibility you want, that kind of attention you want. You see now. So that is what this video is all about. So I'm going to be giving you an insight and a strategy on how to go about it. So as much as having good thumbnail, all of these things you are seeing here in your screen, these are different thumbnails of my different videos and all of that. So but then it is good to have them, but don't just trust that because I have a good thumbnail, a compelling thumbnail, an eye-catchy thumbnail, a captivating thumbnail, that automatically YouTube will give me the kind of push. That's not the truth, if we want to be honest with ourselves. So what I want you to know is this: the strategy is to go to Facebook. Okay? Go to Facebook. That is the strategy I'm talking about in this video. You will have to go to Facebook. Okay? Go to Facebook. Search out for different Facebook groups. Different Facebook groups that talks about the same kind of thing you talk about in your YouTube channel. I don't know if you're following. So let's say, for instance, you talk about AI, how to grow your YouTube channel with AI, how to generate videos, long videos, how to get realistic AI images, how to animate your images. how to animate your AI generated images, stuff like that. You get it now. How to, edit your video using CapCut. Such kind of videos. If that's what your channel represents, then go to Facebook, search for groups that also talks about similar thing. That's the wisdom there. Now, when you search out for them, but there is a way to do it. Don't just search for those kind of groups and you join randomly like that. Check the engagements there. Most importantly, check the number of people in that place. So you don't just look for groups that have 5 members, 3 members. No, look for groups that has, like, let's say 10,000 members, 20,000 members, 15,000 members, and make sure that engagement is going on. Something is happening in that group, that people are engaging inside of that group. You see now. Now, when you have, now I will recommend you look for such group. Let's say maybe like 10 or 15 of them. The reason you are looking for 10, 15 or 20 of them is because the truth of the matter is this. You're not going to be getting immediate response from them. So you want to have options. You want to have series of options. You don't just want to use only one group for this. So you want to make sure that you are engaged with a lot of groups, so that if you're not getting positive response from here, you can get from here. If you're not getting from here, you can get from here. So it wouldn't make sense you just go and join one group. What if that one group is not giving you what you want? What do you do? So you have to explore, take advantage of several groups. So when you find that kind of group or those kinds of groups that talks about the same thing you are talking about in your YouTube channel, you join. Now, let me say something at this point. Make sure that you have something valuable to offer them. So if you don't have any video in your channel, don't refer them to your channel, because you'll be killing your channel the more. So don't refer people to a channel where you have not posted anything, or where you have not posted, let's say maybe at least 5 videos, 5 to 7 videos. So make sure that your channel has at least 5 to 7 videos. It can be more, but it shouldn't be less than 5 or 7. If you have 10 videos, 15, fine. But don't just refer people to a YouTube channel where you have only one video, or probably you just created a channel, you don't even have any video at all. You don't have any video that will address what they are looking for, because your video is meant to provide solution to the challenges people are having. So make sure you have videos before you refer them there. That's it. The next thing you want to do is that after joining those channels, or rather those Facebook groups, the next thing you want to do, which is very, very important, is to add value in that group. Don't just come there and tell people, join my channel. You will be sounding desperate, and people don't like that kind of energy. No, you have to make them want to even look for your channel in the first place. Okay, so this, there's something about human psychology. You have to think the way others are also thinking to get what you want. You see now, so you don't just come join a group today, the next thing you're telling them to come and you just post inside that group. The admin may not even allow the post to go viral. So you have to be smart about it. So come there, post valuable content and be consistent about it. Maybe you come, you post something, people, not everybody will be reading it, as that's the way it usually turns out. Not everybody, a few persons may take out time to read what you drop there, So let's say probably you have a video, a YouTube channel that talks about AI and stuff like that. You can go there, go to the channel, the Facebook groups rather, go to those Facebook groups, write something. You can use ChatGPT for this or any other AI tool. Let's say I want to publish something in that kind of group. I can come up with a write-up like this. I will say something like, AI is replacing effort with intelligence. People who understand how to use AI are doing in minutes what used to take weeks, and they are getting paid for it. Now I'm getting attention of it because I'm relating to their minds. Now, I will still say something like this. AI skills are important because they, one, save time and reduce stress, allow one person to do the work of many. Now, I'm writing some things that, one, is consistent with what the group stands for, and it is relatable. Okay? I can also add things like this, how simple AI skills can make you money. Now, you are making people to, you are driving the attention, you are getting the attention because these are some of the things they want. How simple AI skills can make you money. Who doesn't want to know? Creating AI stories for YouTube. Okay? With AI skills, you now start talking about how to generate powerful stories, how to generate script, creating emotional engagement, and all of those things you do in your channel. Of course, it resonates with what that channel, that Facebook group stands for. I don't know if you're following me. So when you write this kind of thing, you can just post it, copy it, and post that same thing you posted in that particular group. Copy it, go and post it in several other YouTube groups that you've joined. Don't know if you're following me. You don't need to keep typing. You would have even typed it somewhere. All you need to do is just copy it from where you have typed it, then come and be pasting it in different Facebook groups that you've joined. Okay? Do it maybe for some, and be consistent. It's not just something, it's not a hit and run something. No, it's not a hit and run something. As you are doing it, keep publishing and keep uploading videos, valuable videos in your YouTube. Why doing this? Just be adding, so that when people finally come, they will know that for the truth, we have something to learn from this guy's video. I don't know if you're following. Now, maybe at the end of one of your write-ups, you can put something like this. It's more like another strategy. You can add, in addition to all that you've written, you can add something like this. You can ask the question, are you struggling with any of the following? Are you struggling with any of the following? Writing high-quality prompts using ChatGPT, animating AI-generated images, editing professional-looking videos with CapCut, creating compelling standard scripts for AI storytelling on YouTube, designing eye-catching, high-converting thumbnails, optimizing your YouTube channel the right way for growth and visibility. Now, these are some of the these are some of the challenges people encounter. That's just the truth. Now, you're asking them, are you facing this kind of course, many people in that group are facing facing challenges like this. You see now. Now, the next thing you want to do is that you are getting their attention gradually. Now, the next thing you want to write under this is to say, that is where the name of your channel now comes in. Now, let me just use this. The name of this channel is Value from Elishama. You can now say something like this. Value from Elishama is a YouTube channel dedicated to solving all of these challenges and much more. You see now, the channel delivers practical, easy to follow tutorials designed to help you master AI tools, create standout content, and grow your YouTube channel with confidence and results. Now you can now say, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This way, whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be among the first to get notified, giving you instant access to fresh, valuable content designed to keep you informed and ahead. Now, under it, you drop the link to your channel. I don't know if you're following it now. So when people read this, they can say, let me just, one thing about subscribing is people normally subscribe by giving it a try first. Some people will just come and say, let me casually watch this video and know what this guy is even talking about. That's the way it starts. From clicking on that channel, the person, from clicking that link, the person will just say, let me see if this guy has valuable video. If the person comes across your video and watches it, chances are excellent the person will want to subscribe. Before you know it, that person will also turn on his or her notification bell. Some of them will even go as far as sharing your videos. So when your videos are now getting engagement through Facebook, I don't know if you're following now, through Facebook. Now, YouTube will see that of a truth, this video is getting, or this channel is getting engagement. This is even when YouTube will come in full force to give you that kind of boost you want. So if you think that YouTube will automatically start giving you a reasonable kind of push because you've optimized, of course it's good to optimize your channel very well. I'm not against that. It's very important to optimize it. But for you to think that that's the only thing you need to do, you have to think again. I don't know if you're following. You have to think again. So follow this step. And for the Facebook channels, or rather the Facebook groups I mentioned, make sure you are adding value. Make sure you are adding value. Make sure you are adding value. So these are, I just felt I should drop this video so that it will help small channels, growing channels, small creators to devise another kind of strategy, because almost everybody is doing similar things. Optimize, keep posting. YouTube will just boost your channel. There is another way, and that is what I have just shared with you. So if you found this video interesting, do well, go ahead to subscribe, join this community. That way we are going to be encouraged to do more valuable videos like this. And I will also encourage you to hit that like button, share this video. I'm very sure that there are many people out there that will also benefit from videos like this. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next one.